Swiss are the Oscar of the watchmaking industry in the world. So we are selecting every year the best, most celebrated watches in 14 categories. I think the pandemic gave a shot of creativity and innovation. Watchmakers had more time to innovate, to create new trends.
Nobody needs time. So what the Swiss industry, watch industry brings is an added value, is a dream. It's like an Italian sports car. It is something that it is born out of a patrimony and something other people cannot do, cannot repeat, because it is in our blood. It's a work of art.
The shops were closed, the brands had to shift to more omni-channel online solutions. So 2020 was really unprecedented year for the Swiss watch industry. People have spent less on travel, on restaurants, on overall during 2020, and there's more money available to buy luxury watches.
The story of the watch industry and the Swiss history is to make out of a crisis a big opportunity.